This is a very basic introduction to Microsoft Excel. If you've never used Excel before, this is the tip for you. In this tip, I will explain what Excel is, what it can be used for, what the cells, rows and columns are, what is a spreadsheet and what is a workbook. At its basic level, Excel is a spreadsheet that allows you to add, remove and sort data. Imagine a piece of square paper with boxes that you can fill in. You can use Excel for simple things such as shopping list, to-do list, personal bills and budgets, accounts and business use. Excel also has templates that allow you to make calendars, memos, business cards, plus lots more. Each individual box is called a cell. As the cells go down, they make up columns. The columns are indicated by the letters along the top, A, B, C, etc. As the cells go across, they make up rows. These are indicated by 1, 2, 3. A letter, the column, plus a number, the row, indicates the specific cell. In this example, we are using column C and row 3 to indicate cell C3. When you click on a cell, you can see the cell name appear in the name box. To enter data into the cell, click on the cell and start typing. You can then either use the arrow keys, the enter key, the tab key, or just click into another cell. At the bottom of an Excel, you will see either 1 or 3 tabs, depending on your version. By default, these tabs are called Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. You can click on each tab to move between them, like pages of a book.